When you set up an anonymous LLC, one of the first questions people ask is, how do you open a business bank account if your name isn't even listed on the company? A lot of people think it's not possible or it's really difficult to do, but that's not actually true. When you understand the process, it's actually pretty straightforward. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how banks verify the ownership of an anonymous LLC, the documents you need, and the exact steps to open a business bank account without your name ever appearing in the public records. So first, let's quickly talk about what an anonymous LLC actually is. An anonymous LLC simply means that the owner's personal name and information do not appear in the public records of the state. In most states, when you set up an LLC, you have to list the members or the owners of the company in the filing documents, which means anyone can search it up and see exactly who owns the business. But there are a few states, such as Wyoming, Delaware, and New Mexico, that allows you to form an LLC without publicly listing the owners. Instead, the state filing documents typically only shows the registered agent, the business address, and the organizer who filed the formation documents. The organizer is simply the person who submits the paperwork to create the LLC, and that doesn't necessarily mean that they are the owners of the business. And because of this structure, the owner's name can stay private and does not appear in any public state records. So the way banks verify ownership of an anonymous LLC is through the EIN confirmation letter, and that is issued by the IRS. When you create the LLC, especially in states like Wyoming, Delaware, and New Mexico, your personal name typically does not appear in the public records. But when you apply for the EIN, that's your employee identification number, and the IRS requires you to list a responsible party on the application. That's typically the owner of the company. Once the IRS issues your EIN, they send you a confirmation letter that shows both the name of the LLC and the responsible party tied to it. And that letter is what banks use to connect you to the company, even when your name does not appear in any public records. In addition to the EIN confirmation letter, the banks will usually ask for a few other documents to complete the account opening. The first is the operating agreement, which is the document that outlines the ownership and the management structure of the LLC. You want it to list you as a member or manager so the bank can see that. The second document is the Articles of Organization, which confirms the LLC was officially formed with the state. And in some cases, the bank may also request a banking resolution, which authorizes the opening of the business bank account. And one last tip is to provide the bank with a local address when opening the account. Using an out-of-state address can sometimes cause some confusion for them. So once you have these documents ready, the process of opening the account is actually pretty straightforward. You can either apply online or in person. The bank is going to verify your identity, review your documents, and once everything checks out, then your bank account will be opened. Now, when it comes to actually choosing a business bank, I personally recommend Bluevine. I've used Bluevine for my own LLCs and the experience has always been really great. The application can be done completely online, there are no monthly maintenance fees, and they're familiar with business bank accounts for LLCs, even for the anonymous ones. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check it out. And just to be transparent, I do have an affiliate relationship with them, so if you do decide to use the link, I may earn a referral fee at no additional cost to you. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating free, useful content just like this. And when you use the link, it'll take you directly to this page. And the application process is super quick and easy. It only takes a few minutes to complete. So once you're here, we can come to click on Open Account. And let's choose the entity type. So let's select LLC, input your first and last name, your email address and phone number. Let's create a password. Click on I agree here and just click on Get Started. So here you would just need to enter your legal business name. So let me just go with Derek Homo LLC, enter your business address and also your phone number. You can enter your annual revenue here. Now, if you're a brand new business, this would be your projected annual revenue. Enter your tax ID or EIN, select your industry. You go with retail trade, and then you will select a sub-industry. And let me go with this one. And you will select your number of employees. So I would just go with 1 to 5. When you're done, just click on Next. And here you would just need to enter your first and last name, your home address, your date of birth, and also your social security number. And then enter your percentage of business owned by you. I'll just put 100%. And then you can answer if there's any individuals who own 25% or more of the business. I would just say no, check this, and then click on Continue. And then you would just need to verify your phone number. And once you do that, it will prompt you to just upload the documents that we talked about, and then you're done. And typically within like a day, you will get a response from Bluevine. And that is how easy it is to set up a business bank account for your anonymous LLC. If you haven't set up your anonymous LLC yet, I've made a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it. I'll link it here and also in the description below as well. Any questions you have, let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you in the next one.